Apollo kinitone riongete loe ya ita APEDOROSIO nwe tunganane Josephine Kelo ngesie balebe ngareno kolu ipu mame AYUAR itosa APEDOROSIO nwe tunganane ikoni neno rae kechepelu.
Why we picked on the LCs? Because we've realized that from the time they were elected into office, they have not been trained on human rights. And yet we know very well that the local council leaders are the first point of contact for the community or in the community. They're the first people where cases are reported to. They're the first people who know who has committed a crime or not. They're the first people who knows where there are violations. So why we are training them is to give them with knowledge on human rights so that they're able to promote, protect human rights, but at the same time, they should also be able to respect human rights as they execute their duties. You are well aware that the local council 1 and 2, they also operate courts. And when they're doing settling of disputes, they're supposed to ensure that they exercise fairness and fair hearing to the parties that bring cases to their table.
Iche koto mapolo kicholongolu sodit kedalu yaret kesie bala siebe amma musa choana APEDOROSIO nwe tunganane yijai kitile mkesia swame nini kinoi
Lesi shaungane aneja human rights ai tu so kapelo si wansa na elo si tus abune rights chana kinso ani kam to sa APEDOROSIO no kaitunga kedi due ingwala siki ikokyok apusero nuleme mameta na meja so chuti ageu era na pakine jok na isisha una ngakiro aneja riongela human rights ayongita APEDOROSIO ne tunganane ara de jai tunga etwena bochare ekoto yongitete jai tete ngesida freedom anu atimonore amorana ai nerun kara de diakari kapana tare kokot ara ibonati ability chebore so etungana nangon ekoto ngesida yangara kapetunganana
bore pole ni asisi aungane ikamuto si human rights nesa anyun bonbe itenelo idue koto moipugae yomo pape elosuan ekoto ngangare kwap aichore uriake pole betura ya itudue ainyeki na bilibila APEDOROSIO ne due ide shala mekitingo irionget la human rights ayaunu aisishana kini kwap ne ja solo ya iti ajakantu no kwap pape elosiz ido akoto ngai shala mekini itenela pugan lo serere achamu ne irionget la human rights
Kanuka TV East Abraham Lapu ko districta loko serere